Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have my Black Friday haul for APRES. I did get 3 sets of their inks. I wanted them all, I'm not gonna lie, but I held it together for now, and I only got 3 sets. I know, it's quite a lot to get in one go. And you guys know I do like the other set of inks I got, but just the more I use them, the more I don't necessarily want to promote them. So 25 through 30, this is their, I believe, the pastel ones. Yes, so they recommend blender fluid, which you get for free when you order them, so I got 3 of them. Let it dry and then top coat. All right, I have to say, this packaging is out of this world. I'm not really a fan of this long packaging as far as like aesthetically it looks awesome, but I'm not one of the people who like to display my inks. I like to have everything away. So the fact that these are like real long, it's interesting for sure, because that's like 4 inches. That can even fit in my drawer. Yes, it does, thank God. I guess I can see. I was gonna say, am I gonna be able to see the color? But I will. Okay, let me put these guys aside. All right, instead of doing it on swatch sticks, I'm just gonna do it on the table because it's white and why not? So this is 25. See, that's so nice. So these are definitely not as pigmented as the other brand that I use. However, I think these are going to be awesome as far as being able to layer them. The other one you can't really layer because it's so pigmented. You have to blend it out quite a bit. This one's cool. I know it's an orange, but it absolutely looks like a, I mean, it looks orange, but almost like a skin tone color. And then this yellow. I'm so excited. I have lots of thoughts on that yellow, like going through my mind to see like what I can do. That was 27. Let me move you this way. That's a good thing about using, let's go 28, using this new, what is it called? Tile. I'm using a, I believe it's a 12 by 18. I mean 12 by 24, or it's an 18 by 24. I want to say it's 12. Wrong way, apparently. That is the green, and that is 28. These are so cool. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at that. I'm like shocked that they're actually pastel. I'm gonna go back with the pink. Like, look at that. That's so cool. I love inks. Is the blue one at number 30. Yeah, those are so pigmented. Like, look at how those are. I'm definitely gonna have to play with them on my nails because that is too fun. So we have 25, 26, 27, I know, don't come for me, 28, 29, and 30. This one is number 6. Ooh, the neons. Yes. So excited for these. I got more unique ones. So my thought process is I'm not going to not use the other inks. I guess that's probably why this cutout is here. But I wanted to add to my collection without really repeating a ton. So that's kind of my thought process on it. All right, let's start with 31. It is this green one. Yes. So pretty. 32. Let's see if I can bring in some. I know that's at the bottom of the screen. Ooh, that is some yellow. And you hear an airplane. That one's loud. That looks like straight up highlighter. So does this one. Dang. Okay. I'm ready for summer, y'all. It does look like this one may have spilled a little bit, but they cleaned it off. But there is a little bit missing. It is down, I can't, there is some missing. Let's see. It's down to here, where these guys are literally filled to the top, except for that little bubble. There's a substantially larger bubble there. So this is 35. $36. Interesting, do you see that one? I feel like you're obviously not going to get the true colors, but these ones might be coming in pretty true. Like, I mean, you can see how neon these guys are, especially these guys, that yellow. Oh my God. It's literally powder. I bet these are done with those neon pigments. We'll go here, swipe, and then swipe inside. I mean, that's pretty close. It almost seems like they added some yellow to make this a lighter green. Let's try the yellow. Okay. So this is theirs. So they're even brighter than the neon pigments everybody has. All right, last one. I think this is the metal collection, like the metal ones. This is number 3. Yeah, I thought I got that one. So we have white, silver, rose gold, copper, gold, and ultra black. So these ones would be a repeat of the other inks, but I wanted them anyway, because I really wanted the black and white, because the black and white I've heard really good things about. All right, we got 13. I don't think you're gonna see white on white. So, white. 14 is your silver. Whoa. That looks like the Sharpie. You know what I'm talking about? I know you guys know what I'm talking about. I like this color a lot. This rose gold. Yeah, that's pretty. This copper would have been perfect for fall. And then, of course, gold. And then black. We'll put the white down just for good spirit, but I guess you do kind of see it. Barely. That silver is looking real nice. They all are. Man, I'm excited to have these. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatching of these guys. I definitely want to get the rest of them now. I probably should have just bought it, but I didn't. I tried to keep it together, but thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.